Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to increase millions of snap scores in your Snapchat. So let's dive in. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your Snapchat, and your snap score is the number right below the yellow box right there. You've seen mine. So to increase your snap score, you want to go ahead to your camera, click on the plus sign, and you can scroll down to multi-snap. And the next thing you can do is just to take 10 photos continuously. Go ahead and take 10 photos continuously. And after we do that, we are going to edit those photos. Just something simple. You can add a text or a Bitmoji. And after we do that, we are going to send it. So you can just do that, and after that you can send it to your friends, and what that does is it is going to increase your snap score. So you go ahead, you edit, you just add a Bitmoji, and then you send it to your friends. So you can send it to your friends, and after that you can go ahead and check your snap score again, and you will find that it has increased. And another way you can increase your snap score is by viewing snaps and also chatting with your friends. So basically, being active on Snapchat will increase your snap score. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.